So we are at Pismo Beach, Oceano Dunes. We were really excited. They cost us $5 to come out on the beach. And we got about a mile out here, and my truck is now high-centered. I never imagined we could get stuck in this truck. A little embarrassed. Driven on the beach many, many times before. Never in California. I couldn't believe they let you out on the beach in California. But we're stuck. We just called for a tow truck. Minimum charge is $375 as long as it's not in the water. The tide is coming in. It's about 20 yards from us, and it's coming in fairly quick. And so now we're just praying that the tow truck driver gets here as soon as possible.
Yeah, because it goes up to 600 if it gets in the water.
600 if it starts at 600 if it's in the water. So I'm going to jump out and show you guys what's going on. Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold all of our possessions to RV full-time with a toddler and a dog.
And on this channel, we share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and we had a really ugly experience today, and it's pretty embarrassing, but we told you guys we'd share everything with you.
That's right, and we're going to share with you how you can avoid this embarrassing and expensive mistake.
So we arrived in Oceano, California today, and we heard there was a beach where you could actually drive your truck right out onto the beach. We were really, really excited.
Yeah, it's called Oceano Dunes, and so after dinner we decided, hey, let's cruise the beach. Let's catch the sunset. It'll be great. And it actually was amazing. I mean, all of the birds and the beach and the smell of the salty air. It was so incredible.
We both felt high. I mean, we felt like there's absolutely nothing that can go wrong, right? This is our truck. High-centered. Tide is right there, coming in fast. We called for a tow truck. We got another guy right next to us that's stuck. It just looks like it's a really soft shoulder in here. Is he gonna get it? He's not gonna get it. He's gonna get it. See, he's got the weight sitting on the back of his truck with that RV. I've got zero weight on my truck, nothing. And so it just sunk in. Quite sitting on the ground, but pretty damn close. Yeah. The axle's in the sand.
Cost to drive on the beach was $5, and the ranger warned us that the tide was coming in. So when we got stuck so close to the water, we got worried. We called for a tow, and we had to give them our credit card information up front. And then this happened.
And look who comes up to help me, a Raiders fan!
Except for he called the patrol. Wrong thing to do out here.
Remember that tuck rule, guys?
Oh, you're gonna bring that up. At least we cleaned up your guard this year.
They did, you got a good guard. What's your name?
Kurt.
Hey, Kurt. So I got Mercedes in the truck, Amy's in the back seat, and Kurt was just gonna try to pull us out even though I'm wearing a Patriots hat. So we already called the tow truck. They took the credit card and said, if you're not there when we get here, we're hitting you for $300 anyway. So we're screwed either way. But thanks for Kurt. Thanks a lot, Kurt.
Welcome to California.
Welcome to California. Next time I gotta go out without the hat.
Right, Raiders, baby, Raiders.
I better hide this. So this guy Kurt shows up, and he's part of a group called the Jerk Pirates Off-Road Group. And they go out and they pull people off the beach for free because they're pissed off that they charge so much for it. So I think the tow truck driver's coming right here. I don't know if that's him or not. So the tow truck driver pulls up. He's a really nice guy. He wants to be helpful. I'm sure he doesn't get the $375 to pull us out off the beach. But it was funny because he got out, he walked around the truck. I mean, he was very careful with the truck. He looked like he was trying to keep himself busy, but from the time he got there to the time he pulled forward, it might have been 6 or 7 minutes. And again, it's not this guy's fault, but man, $375 to pull me out of the sand, and it's my own fault. I didn't do what I should have done. And what's even really funny is that this guy started warning me and Mercedes about this other group of guys that they don't like because they tow people off the beach for free. So anyways, it was just an interesting little story, we thought.
There was one little problem that I hadn't quite told John about yet. There's one thing I forgot that I didn't mention, babe.
What?
I have to pee.
Uh-oh.
Ever since we got
Alright, now we gotta wait till he tightens that rope, and he's gonna try hard not to jerk us.
Yeah.
The biggest mistake, guys, is I never took air out of the tires. I just assumed I wouldn't have to. Look at the dune buggy over there. Show him. Alright, ready? Okay, up front.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Looks like he's got us.
Yay, we're moving.
So this is Mickey. Pull us out. How much of that $375 do you get, Mickey?
I'm not sure.
So I get out of the truck to thank this guy, and I'm doing everything I can possibly think of to cut me some slack. It's just, I never softened my tires, guys, when I headed out on the beach, and as soon as we started to go down, I should have known better just to stop and lower my tires to 35 pounds, and I did not do that. I just never imagined it would get stuck. So anyways, but we got a beautiful sunset here tonight. This is my wife, Mercedes.
How's it going?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, so if I can get you to sign on the red X.
Okay.
Go ahead. How much
And
is
that
it?
is your copy?
$375?
Yeah.
Oh.
And if you can sign right there on that X.
Oh.
And then that's your registration.
Thanks, brother.
So what you do is just you can try to see if you can claim it on your roadside service.
We'll
Yeah.
try.
This is the copy you're gonna submit to them.
Save that.
Yeah, save this right
Okay.
here.
Did you say you're gonna tell him we're 5 miles out on the beach?
I just put post 5.
Okay, good.
That's all I put.
Post
I just
5.
I don't give really no. I try to help the customer as much as I can.
Thanks,
so.
man. I appreciate it.
All right.
Hey, Mickey, I'm gonna go out ahead of you.
He's even going to escort us out.
We'll be back out here. I'll bring the Viair. Next time we come out, we'll lower the pressure. The other tip that Mickey gave us was all the locals know not to go past marker 5. Do not go past marker 5 because it's extremely soft out there. And so, and the other thing is that, obviously, to have weight in the back of your rig helps. You got 4 tires on the ground, spinning, but when there's no weight pushing them down, doesn't help, and the front end of the truck just went right in. Look at that sunset, babe.
Beautiful.
So were you scared, honey?
I was a little nervous.
With the tide, right?
No, actually. I was just a little nervous because we only have one diaper.
Well, I gave up when I needed to give up. Hopefully we'll call our insurance company and see if they'll cover this tow. He says they probably will, or at least some of it. So, painful mistake, and welcome to California beaches.
Yeah, but we share the good, the bad, and the ugly.
We share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I can't believe I did this.
$5 in, $375
$5 to get
out.
in and $375 to get out.
Please give this video a like. And
Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up.